Beneath the HR-V's expressive design lies a wealth of modern technology. A responsive 9-inch touchscreen comes standard with music, communication, and vehicle settings exactly where you'd expect them to be. You can also bring your digital world with you thanks to wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility for iPhone or wireless Android Auto compatibility for Android phones. HR-V's wireless phone connectivity pairs perfectly with its standard wireless phone charger for speedily boosting your phone's battery without a cable. Standard USB-C ports give you even more charging choices. There is also an available 8-speaker audio system for a premium auditory experience. On the open road, the HR-V's tech talents let you drive with confidence. A comprehensive roster of Honda Sensing driver assist features helps identify hazards on your behalf, as does available blind spot information system. In close quarters, HR-V's backup camera helps spot potential peril, while available front and rear parking sensors help prevent unsightly dings. Wherever your journey leads, the adaptable HR-V has your back, offering a range of drive modes. And for maximum versatility, optional all-wheel drive delivers reassuring traction in challenging conditions. Modern style, handy features, and superb versatility. Everything you expect from a Honda. HR-V. It's the savvy SUV that puts your needs first.